Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck.
So I just got done walking. And this white van came up to me and was like, do you want some candy? Oh, I said, yeah. And he was like, okay. So I went to his van. Tell me why this man tried to grab me and put me in his van. I must have punched my titty so far down his throat. He was tasting chocolate nipples and diabetes. I don't know what's going on.
Good evening, I'm Ken Bastida. Dana is off tonight. He was murdered and then set on fire while celebrating his birthday.
In the criminal justice system, you can't have sex with anybody if they don't want to have sex back. The police that look for the bad guys to do that are called the sex police. These are their stories. Bump, bump!
Here it is. That's not how you open a can of pickles. There's no pop when she opens it. Pop. You pop them open. You pop them open. You pop them, pop them. You don't turn them like it's peanut butter or jelly or something. Can we zoom in on this? You have to pop it, ladies and gentlemen. You have to pop it. Pop. It's popped. It's vacuum sealed. It's vacuum sealed. Pop, pop. You open it by pressuring down and popping. Look at that. I can't even really get it open because my hands are wet. Good God. I can't even open this. This is real. This is really happening. I can't even open this. Worked up a sweat there. I couldn't open it.
God darn it, Mr. Lamar. You use your tongue prettier than a $20 hole.
Damn, bitch. You got a stupid fat ass. Oh. Damn, bitch.
Nigga.
You motherfuckers are gonna kill all my lilies!
Hi, Squidward. Wanna play?
Miro! 形は世界一だ! Smile, Sammy! Smile!
They see me rolling, they're hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding.